Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe. You are eating a very healthy food at your home and you are reading a lot at your home. Okay, children. So, types of houses. There are different types of houses. What is the spelling for houses, children? Houses. Houses. So, different. What is the spelling for different, children? different. Different. You can underline as I am going. So this is the second class, children, EVS lesson number 4 and page number 144. Till now we have completed till here, children. Now we are doing the textual reading for EVS. Okay. Hertz, Huts, Hertz. What is the spelling for Hertz, children? Huts, Hertz. Please underline. And villages. What is the spelling for villages? Villages. Villages, villages. Hertz are mostly found in villages. So where do you find the hertz? You find the hertz in the villages. Sometimes you find in hertz in cities also, right? They, they have one room. So how many rooms they have? They have only one room. Such houses are not very strong. Such houses are not very strong. They are also called as kacha house. Do you know, children? We have already learnt about the kacha house and pakka house, right? So the hertz, we are learning now different types of houses, and in this one we are getting first one is hertz. So hertz you can find in villages only, and it has only one room. They have to be rebuilt. What is spelling for rebuilt, children? Rebuilt. Rebuilt or repaired. Repaired means it has to be like hertz of again and again they have to rebuild, because they are kacha houses. So they need to rebuild by again and again. This is the hut. Are you seeing this, children? It has only one room. Here in the one cot only it will be sufficient, and it is rebuilt, and it is made up of some straw, mud, dry leaves, okay, or bamboo. These only they can, and sometimes a house they can make with the canvas also, okay. So they have to be rebuilt or repaired every year. So even every year they have to rebuild and repaired. Every time we need to see that, okay. Now next one is bungalows. What is the spelling for bungalows, children? Please underline this. Bungalows, 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 Bungalows. Again you please read, children. What is the spelling for bungalows? Bungalows. Bungalows are mostly found in towns and cities. They are mostly found in towns and cities. They are big houses. They are what, children? Big houses. They have many rooms. Some bungalows have a garden. So you mostly find these all bungalows in the towns or cities. Okay. What is the spelling for cities, children? Cities. Cities. Towns, TOWNS, towns. You know, children, this is the bungalow. Are you seeing how nice it is? It has garden, it has car parking, it has a tree, it has so many rooms. Are you seeing how many rooms are there in this? Yes, and there is a glass. Yes, so this is the type of bungalows. So you can find it only in the cities, right? Now, this is the page number 144 is over, children. Now we are going to page number 145. So, this one is what, children? Multi-story building. Please underline this, children. Multi-story buildings. And please learn this. Okay, you just repeat after me so that we can learn. MULTI, multi. STOREYED, multi-storied buildings. BUILDINGS. Buildings are mostly found in big cities. So they are found in big cities. Some multi-story buildings have many houses. See, Bangla hut has only one room. Bangla has so many rooms. But multi-story building has so many houses. And these houses are called as flats or apartments. So please underline this, children. Flats or apartments. A-P-A-R-T-M-E-N-T-S. A-P-A-R-T, apart, M-E-N-T-S, apartments. They are built one on top of another. So how they build, children? Suppose one building is here. Then on the top of this they will build other. On the top of this they will build. Now this is stilt houses. Stilt houses. Please underline this, children. S-T-I-L-T, stilt, H-O-U-S-E-S houses are found in places where it rains heavily. What is the spelling for heavily, children? Heavily rains means whenever it will rain very heavily, continuously raining, right? Sometimes it floods also there. So where the rains heavily, the places where the rains very heavily, like Assam, right? So there you can find the stilt houses. Can you see the stilt house, children? They have the roof in a stand position so that all the rains will be shedded on the ground. Okay, so these houses are built on stilts made up of wood or bamboo. So they are made up of wood or bamboo. Please underline this, children. W-O-O-D, wood, or B-O-B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. Stilt houses are built a little above the ground. So they are, because why they built a little above the ground, children? Because whenever it will rains heavily, so the houses can be drowned in that, right? That is the reason they are just little up, and you can see the ladder also here, right? So that they can just go on that ladder and they can enter into the house. This is bamboo. What is the spelling for bamboo, children? B-A-M-B-O-O. Yes, and they have sloping roofs. Are you seeing this, children? This is sloping house. The rains will fall down, it will directly go on the ground. So this is sloping roof. This is also called as sloping roof. Please underline this also, children. Sloping roof. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping, R-O-O-F-S, sloping roofs. Okay. Now next one is houseboats. So what are the things which we have learned till now? Those are huts, bungalows. Next one is multi-story buildings, stilt houses, and next one is houseboats. Please underline this, children. Houseboats, and learn the spelling also. H-O-S-E, house, B-O-A-T-S, B-O-A-T-S. Houseboats are houses on boats, right? So these are the houses on the boats, that is called as houseboats. Houseboats are the houses on boats. Thus means hence, or that's why. Okay, thus they are called floating houses. What is the spelling for floating, children? F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G, floating. Learn this and underline this along with me. Okay, so these are the houseboats are also called as floating houses. Why they called as floating houses? Because they can float and they can move from one place to another. Why? Because they can sail on the water. That is the reason it is called as houseboats or floating houses. Tourists. What is the spelling for tourist, children? And underline this, tourist. T-O-U-R-I-S-T-S. Tourists often live in them. Yes, because most of the tourists are they like the places where the sea is there, the sunrise is there. So they and they can move from one place to another. That is called as houseboats, and tourists like so much, right? So tourists, that is the reason they like the houseboats very much. Would you like to live in the houseboat? Obviously yes, right? Yes. Wood, W-O-U-L-D, wood. It is not wood, it is wood. Okay. So even the WOOD is also pronounced the same, and WOULD is also pronounced the same. This is the wood which is which we can make for furniture or houses, but this wood is asking the question, okay, would you like to live in a houseboat? Would you like to live in a houseboat? They are asking us. Yes, so yes, obviously. Next, okay, this is the houseboat, children. Okay, so we have almost we have completed all the houses. Now next one, see children. Oh, this is an igloo. This is made up of ice, totally icy. You can you able to see this? This is like what you call, totally white in color. So which color is white in color? That is ice. So igloos are houses. Please underline this, children. Igloos are houses made of blocks of snow and ice. So they are made up of blocks of snow and ice. So you have to learn this, children. Igloos are houses made up of blocks of snow and ice. They are found in places that are covered with snow all through the year. So where do you find the igloos? You can find the igloos where there is so much cold place and where their ice will be available, like Antarctica, Arctic regions, right? So you can find the igloos there. And do you know, children, the people who lives in igloo, they are called as Eskimos. Yes, so please keep in your mind, I can write here Eskimos. Eskimos, those are called as Eskimos. Okay, so this you just learn about the spelling of igloos. IGLOOS, igloos. So we have completed till here. Tomorrow we will see the 2 more houses are there, children, that we will do tomorrow, and try to learn all the spellings, whether it's huts, bungalows, multi-story buildings, houseboats, still house, igloos. Okay, all these things you have to learn. Okay children, take care children, bye.